everybody, we're here at the Kegel Harley-Davidson Biker Jam in Rockford, Illinois. Randy's going to show you how to take down the F-21 jet tent. We'll watch him take it down and put it away. Pull the center hub, releases all the knuckle joints. Gather up the four legs to the center. Now he's going to stretch out the material and just lay it out nice, making it easy to roll up. Nice and smooth, roll the frame right into the tent. Strap it and lock it. There you go. It's as simple as that.